Thank you for joining us today. Our presentation will begin shortly. Let's start by discussing our company and what we do. Network 2000 is a technology support company. We have been in business for over 20 years. We are the largest technology company in the state of Hawaii. We are locally owned and operated with 3 offices on Oahu, Maui, and Kauai. We support a broad range of customers, including enterprise businesses such as banks, airlines, insurance and healthcare, and private institutions. We also support state and local customers, including government and state agencies, the Department of Education, and non-profit organizations. Here at Network 2000, we have 3 main departments. These include our field operations, network engineering, and service desk teams. Our field operations team helps to maintain computer systems and keeps them operating at optimal levels. They work with our engineering team to accomplish goals in different types of network infrastructure projects. This includes technical services such as installing and setting up computer systems and other hardware. They also provide technical support to our clientele. These services include system repairs, resolving network connectivity issues, and more. Now, let's move on to network engineering. The network engineers at Network 2000 aid in the design, engineer, and architect of complex IT systems to meet our customers' needs. They provide both internal and external technical support to help in fixing issues that occur with those systems. These systems are maintained using Microsoft, VMware, and Cisco network applications and hardware. Next, our service desk. Service desk works remotely to provide technical support and troubleshooting services to our clientele. They access the customer's hardware or software to resolve network issues, diagnose system errors, or any other technical issues that may arise. To ensure customer satisfaction, they follow up to ensure the resolution of calls and problems. Now that you have learned about our company and what we have to offer our customers, let's go over what we have to offer you, our potential employees. Working at Network 2000 will guarantee you competitive pay, free IT certifications such as Cisco, CompTIA, Microsoft, and many more. You will also gain a breadth of experience by working with our team hands-on. Lastly, I want to show you all how to apply for a job at Network 2000. You can email your resume to our Human Resources Department at hr@network2000-hi.com, or you can apply online on our website at www.network2000-hi.com. If you have recently submitted an application online, please let us know in the chat so we can find your application. That wraps up our presentation. We would now like to open up the session for discussion or questions. Thank you.